Hi there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. You can see the owner of the company. There's his phone number right there. He will answer your questions about this opportunity. It's Mr. Adam Walker. He's the CEO. I want to just log in and show you the proof of income that I'm making with this opportunity. There's no guarantee you're going to make money, but I just want to show you that it's working. Everything depends on your efforts, your motivation, your work ethic, your consistency. I use postcards, flyers, videos. I use all kinds of internet and direct mail ads, and I make my own branded ads with QR codes. So I'm going to click on genealogy once I log in, and I will show you. There's 7 levels to this opportunity. You see it goes up to seven levels. It's a 3x7 matrix. So these are my 3 levels. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1, I got 3 people. Level 2, I got 5 people. Level 3, I got 6 people. Wow, this is crazy. I got another person. Every single time I log in here, I got somebody else. This thing's growing faster than I ever thought. I just made another video saying Arnold joined, and now Brian, whoever he is, now he signed up. Look at how fast this thing's growing. It's like every couple hours I get a person. I told you it's on fire. Now I got 3 people on my first level. You can only have 3 on your first level. The second level has 9 people. I got 5 in there. And my third level, I got 6. There's 6 people on my third level. Joyce, Antonio, John, another John, Arnold, Fisher, my friend. He just joined while I was sleeping a little while ago. And now Brian just came in from somewhere. And I'll find out by clicking on his name in my back office to see who his sponsor is and who he spilled under. But this thing is growing crazy and fast. It's like every single time I log in, I get somebody else. So that's another $3 a month I'm going to get because my third level pays me $3 per person. 3 times 6 is $18 for my third level per month. Per person, I get $3. The second level, where the number 5 is, I get $7 for every one of those people. And when I get 9, 9 times 7 is $63 a month. Residual passive income. Level 1 is 3 people. Level 1, I got Donald, I got Jared, and I got Michael. Michael's in Utah, Donald's in Wisconsin, and I don't know where these other people are. Steven in my second level, he's in Utah. Tia, I think she's in Texas. I think Dennis is new also. All these yellow ones, the ones that are yellow, that means somebody got the fast start commission and they just got in the program. The new people are in yellow. So it says my total commission is $33, but the second month, when after a month goes by, at the beginning of next month or whenever they're due for their $30, it's only a $30 a month program. So I have $33 in commissions, but that's just for the people in white. That doesn't include the yellow people because they're brand new and they're not residual for me yet. But the following month, I'll get the $3 or the $7. The people in the second row, the second level, I'll get $7. The one that says 5, I get $7 a person. Every single month. So 7 times 5 is $35 a month. Level 3, I get 6 people. 6 times $3 is $18 a month. Level 1, I got 3 people. Michael, Jared, and Donald. That's going to give me $9 a month. $3 times 3 people is $9 times every month. So I get $9 a month, $35 a month, and 6 times 3 is $18 a month. So if you add all those up, that's how much my residual income is. It should be about $62 a month starting next month, because the first month just pays out the Fast Start $25 Fast Start to the sponsor, whoever signed them up. You understand? The yellow people means that somebody just got a $25 Fast Start bonus commission. for acquiring a customer acquisition bonus. CAB, customer acquisition bonus. That means we got a customer, we have products, digital products. It's a worldwide, global opportunity. So some of these people could be all over the world. It's a global, worldwide opportunity, not just USA. But I do use postcards and flyers and market to the USA direct mail people. And if you want to use flyers and postcards, let me know. I'll make you one. And then I'll show you printing resources to buy the postcards and buy the flyers printed real cheap, full color flyers. Excuse me, I'll show you where to advertise them very cheap. You can get 3 months of advertising for about 35 bucks. A full page flyer every single day. And hundreds or thousands of people will be reading your flyer in the publication, online, offline, in the direct mail ad magazines, whatever. So that's a lot of people. Every time I log in, it seems like the last few days I look and I have somebody else. So now I just logged in. I don't know who this Brian is. I never seen him before until I just logged in now. It's exciting, it's powerful, and it's on fire. If you don't tell somebody about this now, get in and tell people, somebody's going to be telling you in a month or two. And the longer you wait, the more money you're going to lose because that's less people to tell. Get in now before everybody knows about this. It just started getting exciting about 2 or 3 months ago because we got some top leaders. I got top leaders above me that are giving me spillover. Spillover's not guaranteed, but if you happen to have somebody that's a top leader, a big internet marketer above you, you'll get spillover like I am. Or I got Jared on my team. He's a big time marketer and he's bringing all these bunch of people in my second and third level. And he's going to continue to do that because he's got 25 years of experience of internet marketing and he's got websites and downline builders and all kinds of things where he's bringing in a bunch of people. Get in now. It's hot. I don't want you to sit on the fence and wait and think about it and do your research because you can get stuck in learning mode, but you're losing money. I joined I think I joined in July, maybe August. And I'm already in profit. It's only a $30 a month program, and right there shows I got $33 a month, so I'm in profit mode. And then next month it's going to be about $62 a month, residual income. Just hang out with us for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Whether you bring anybody in the program or not, or if you bring in customers, you can make money. There's a lot of people in this opportunity. Just on our team, there's like 17 or 1,800 people in our team on the Facebook page. That's just our team. That's not company-wide. There's a lot of people making residual income. They haven't even brought their own first person in yet. So it is possible, but it's not guaranteed. I'm Michael Jensen. Call me 352-286-8014. Write down my phone number, please. 352-286-8014. God bless you. Jesus loves you. He's coming soon. Get saved. Get born again. Click the link in the pinned comment or the video description or the button under this video because I do put my videos on my website with a button underneath them to go to the next step. God bless you. Call me 352-286-8014. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Day or night, call me 24 hours.